Hello friends, welcome back. Look at these flying aeroplanes. Let's make them. We are folding a yellow craft paper and we are going to make a shape like this. Fold it from its diagonals, flip it and again repeat the same process. We are going to again fold it like this and we are doing this from other side as well. Now we are going to make a cut in the center and fold it in a crisscross manner like this. Now we are going to fold it upwards and make the wings of the plane, make a cut and then again fold it like this. We are going to make more cuts like this and look, your airplanes are ready. Look at this beautiful bow heart. Let's make it. We are going to fold a craft paper, make a triangle, then we are going to press it and fold it from its bottom side like this. We are giving it a shape of heart. Now we are making folds like we are doing here. Repeat the process from other side as well and look, you'll get a beautiful heart. Then we are making the bow in the center. We are giving it shape by folding the paper like this and look, it is almost ready and look, your heart bow is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.